Send him packing. 그자를 쫓아내세요.
Send him packing.
Send her packing. Send them packing. I want to send his Irish ass packing.
Hey, how did it go with Derulio? Did you send him packing?
I have an inkling. 눈치챘어.
I have an inkling.
I had an inkling.
I have a strong inkling.
Oh, we had an inkling.
I have an inkling that's not necessary.
Spare me your inkling, Jane.
The company is on its last legs. 그 회사는 파산 직전이다.
Company's on its last legs.
The water heater's on its last leg.
The town was on its last legs.
And I think that stapler is on its last legs as well.
It's on its last legs anyway.
The money had to come from somewhere, and the shelter is on its last leg.
What's the harm in trying? 한번 해봐서 손해볼 게 뭐 있어?
What's the harm in trying?
What's the harm in listening?
What's the harm in a little flirting? What's the harm in hearing her story?
Where's the harm in that?
Something just clicked. 갑자기 뭔가 이해가 되었어.
Something just clicked.
Something just clicked. But with Amanda, something just clicked.
Yesterday, I saw your lecture, and something just clicked.
How does your name even have the word man in it?
Something just clicked.
I'll go it alone. 저 혼자 할게요.
Fine, I'll go it alone.
I usually go it alone.
I'm gonna go it alone. If I have to go it alone, I'll go it alone.
I'm going it alone.
One for the road? 막잔할까요?
One for the road?
This is the one for the road.
One for the road, honey.
Ay, Brenda, Brenda, Brenda.
One for the road, Benjamin.
Coffee for the road?
Oh, one last lesson for the road. Be careful with Mark.
That's not what I'm after. 그건 내가 찾는 게 아니야.
That's not what I'm after.
That's not what I'm after here.
It was me they were after.
And they weren't what she was after.
How was Monte Carlo?
I didn't get what I was after.
Stop giving me the third degree. 그만 좀 꼬치꼬치 캐물어.
Stop giving me the third degree.
You give me the third degree in front of my children.
He just finished giving us the 3rd degree.
He's a good kid. Quit giving him the 3rd degree.
What's going on? Besides my mom giving me the 3rd degree, nothing.
You put me in my place. 넌 나에게 굴욕감을 줬어.
Certainly put me in my place.
Well, you certainly put me in my place.
You put them in their place.
Mrs. Harding rather put me in my place when she was here.
But you got to put him in his place.
Make the most of. 최대한 활용하다.
I need to make the most of it.
I'm gonna make the most of this.
You've got at least a few hours. Make the most of them.
However long I've got left on this planet, I'm gonna make the most of it.
Looks like the cell phone's all we got.
We better make the most of it.
You're proving my point. 내 말이 그 말이야.
And you're proving my point.
You're proving my point. You're proving my point.
You're proving my point. You're just proving my point.
See, you're just proving my point.
You just proved my point.
I'll get to the bottom of it. 내가 진실을 파헤칠 거야.
I'll get to the bottom of it.
I'll get to the bottom of this.
I'll get to the bottom of this.
We'll get to the bottom of this.
We are going to form an elite investigative team to get to the bottom of this.
I'm gonna call Charles's dad and get to the bottom of this.
That's a revelation. 그건 뜻밖이네요.
That's a revelation.
But that was a revelation.
Oh, that is quite a revelation.
Well, that's an exciting revelation for me.
That's a disturbing revelation.
Right under my nose. 내가 눈 시퍼렇게 뜨고 있는데?
Right under my nose.
Right under my nose.
Right under my nose.
Who could hide right under your nose? You've been doing all this right under my nose.
How did you set this up? Right under my nose.
Don't give it another thought. 괜찮아요. 신경 쓰지 마세요.
Don't give it another thought.
Don't give it another thought.
Don't give it another thought, okay?
Generous of you.
No, don't give it another thought.
Don't give it another thought.
It's self-explanatory. 그건 따로 설명할 필요도 없어요.
I think it's self-explanatory.
It's pretty self-explanatory.
Nice to meet you. I'll show you around. Sign is self-explanatory.
What the hell is this?
It's pretty self-explanatory.
What the hell is this?
It's pretty self-explanatory. The plan is off.
Last but not least. 마지막으로 꼭 하고 싶은 말은?
And last but not least. Last but not least.
Now, last but not least.
And finally, last but not least.
Last but not least, this is one that I like to call Star Wars toast.
Don't pin this on me. 이거 나한테 뒤집어 씌우지 마.
Don't pin this on me.
Or me.
Don't pin Gucci's problems on me.
You tried to pin it on me.
The preppies had stone cold murdered me, and we're trying to pin it on Betty.
They want to pin it on somebody. And right now, that person is you.
I'm not about to talk about it. 얘기하고 싶은 마음이 없어요.
I'm not about to talk about this anymore, Mom.
Please. I'm not about to let that happen.
But I'm not about to announce the Gupta.
I'm not about to confess to my brother.
I'm not about to goddamn tweet about it.
I'm not about to bet someone's life.
Beyond reproach. 나무랄 데가 없는.
As a doctor, he's legally beyond reproach.
Betty's ponytail is iconic and beyond reproach.
Your credibility is beyond reproach.
This Chianti, though, is beyond reproach.
I hear you making jokes at my expenses. 너 나 비하하는 거 다 들었어?
I hear you making a little jokes at my expense.
He just made a joke?
At my expense?
Baby, why you always gotta make jokes at my expense? What's made a joke at my expense?
Yeah, well, it's big jokes at his expense, basically.
It's time to face the music. 이제 결과를 받아들이자.
Time to face the music.
Time to face the music.
All right, time to face the music.
Toretto, freeze. Time to face the music, Dom.
It's our house.
Honey, I know. I love this place too. I think it's time for us to face the music.
Anything of note? Nothing of note. 주목할 만한 거 있나요? 중요한 건 없어요.
Anything of note?
Yeah, nothing of note.
What you working on?
Nothing of note. Business as usual.
Is there anything of note?
Nothing of note.
Oh, nothing of note.
I'm not going down without a fight. 나는 쉽게 물러서지 않을 거야.
I'm not going down without a fight.
I'm not going down without a fight.
Your mother's not going down without a fight. We're not gonna go down without a fight.
I'm not going down without a fight.
Stakes are high. 위험 부담이 크다.
Stakes are high.
Stakes are high, Sarge.
Stakes are really, really high.
The stakes are too high.
Stakes are way too high.
The stakes are high and it's more dangerous.
As if you didn't know. 모르는 척 하기는.
As if you didn't know. I'll just be a second.
What's your problem, Bob? As if you don't know, Jimmy.
If you actually have business, then call my secretary.
I did. She stonewalled me as if you didn't know.
You bet I have a problem with you.
Why?
As if you didn't know.
I don't know.
Don't hold it against me. 나를 원망하지 말아줘.
Don't hold it against me.
Don't hold it against me.
I'll hold it against you.
I wouldn't hold it against you.
But we can't hold it against her. She's young.
Is that any way to behave? 그렇게밖에 행동 못하겠니?
Now, is that any way to behave?
Herb, is that any way to talk to a legend?
Hey, is that any way to talk to your future husband?
Is that any way to talk to your mother?
What the hell's going on here?
Devi, is that any way to greet your mother and your neighbor?
Put yourself in my place. 입장 바꿔 생각해봐.
Put yourself in my place.
Try to put yourself in my place.
Put yourself in his place, okay?
Put yourself in his place.
Put yourself in my place, Mr. Cutter. What would you do if you were me?